All right, traders, today is February 6, 2024. This is BYOB Market Wrap Up. Let's take a look at some charts. First chart we want to look at is SPY. Okay, SPY prints inside day with a actually equal high, equal low, higher low, kind of an inside day closing. Let me just take some of that stuff off of there. So closing above the trap for FNG, closing up here at the highs. All right, so closing over the trap, still bullish, in a bullish flag right there, SPY. Let's take a look at, got a higher low and an equal high for SPY. Let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ's got a higher low and a higher high. Not all-time high. Wait, maybe not. Let's see. The high here, 430.24. The high here, 430.22. So a higher high than yesterday, but not an all-time high. A higher low than yesterday, and closing above, inside the trap, over the trend indicator. Still bullish. FNGU. FNGU closing closing over the trap and making a lower high and a lower low on FNGU. Diamond Dow closing above the trap with an inside day, lower high, higher low. Still bullish, closing over that bullish trap. IWM. IWM with a higher low and a higher high, closing inside the 3/8 trap. It's a bearish trap, and it's underneath the trend indicator. So there's IWM closing above the uptrend line that we have here. So there's IWM. Let's take a look at, we did QQQ. Let's take a look at USO. USO trying to hang on to that downtrend. We had a double bottom here, got a triple bottom here, and USO closing inside the trap with a higher low and a higher high on the daily candle. Still underneath trend indicator here, so closing inside the bearish trap, still in an uptrend. UNG, different story. UNG breaks the low. All right, so we are now in a downtrend on UNG. Closing below the trap, below the trend indicator, and now in a downtrend. So there's UNG. IYT setting new, let's see what we got here. There's a high there of 267.85. High here, 269.82. So that is a new, how far back can we go? All the way to April. About a new 18-month high right there on IYT transports. After this bull flag, we got a breakout. So not the all-time high. All-time highs are up here at 281. But still, very nice IYT breaking out to new 18-month highs. And SMH puts in a lower, higher low, a higher high and a lower low. So increased volatility there. Closing above the trap, over the trend indicator, still bullish. Just dealing with that uptrend line right there on that channel. XLF closing with over the trap, over the trend indicator with a higher low and equal high there on XLF. Silver still in a downtrend, but closed. Looks like a higher high and a higher low. Closing underneath the bearish trap, underneath the trend indicator, underneath the downtrend line. Gold. Different story here. Gold closing over the trap, over the trend indicator, over the downtrend line, and trying to hang on to this bullish pattern right through here. So we got a higher low, higher high. Still hasn't broken this low, and they still need to make a higher high. So we've got like a, well, it could be like a double or triple bottom here and a double top there. So still consolidating in this bull flag. Got a downtrend working there. Not sure if we're going to break through that, but we have spiked it. There's the rubber band candle. Price dealing it with it again, spiking the downtrend line once again right there. All right, let's take a look at, we did those. Take a look at our technicals. All right, technicals, we put in higher lows, and we're in the bullish chop zone for T2122. We're in the sell oversold zone, popped up out of that, just chopped around all day long. See that? Nothing but zigzag, zigzag all day into the midpoint of the T2122. Nothing but chop there, no higher. Got a higher high here and a higher high here, but other than that, we have a higher low as compared to yesterday's price action there. T2123. Stuck on, actually just stuck on VWAP all day. Started out red, ended green. Started out high, ended lower than where it started. So small caps just kind of melting right now. So there's price action for T2123. Just a whole lot of selling all day long, really, if you ask me, except for a pullback to VWAP there. So they're selling. Seems like they're selling the rips right now. Like they're done with this. See a lot of selling going on. T2123. Got red, trend indicator. Price action is below the 17 EMA. And trend indicator's not far over it, though. So no space in here. Nothing like we had through there. FNGU. And we looked at FNGU earlier, but you can see started out red, just melted all day. Could barely hold over VWAP. Nothing really beautiful happening there. So there is FNGU with a few little green trend indicator balls there at the end, trying to get back up over VWAP. Unable to make it. Couldn't quite make inked out barely a lower low right there, but then made a higher low here and then back up towards VWAP. And that's it for today. I will see you all. Does the SPY chart look like MMRP? I will look at that now. What time frame? 8 p.m. Yeah, webinar tonight. What time frame? Up, back. Yes, it does. Yeah, does look like an MMRP. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we get some follow through tomorrow. We'll see. Not seeing what I want to see out of IWM. A whole lot of selling going on. Maybe they're done with it.